Imagine this. You're renovating your home. You knock down a wall in your basement. Behind it, you find a small opening. At first, it looks like nothing. Just a dark hole in the stone. But curiosity gets the better of you. So you shine a light inside. And that's when your life changes forever. Because behind that wall wasn't another room. Or a storage space. Or a forgotten cellar. It was an entrance. An entrance to a world that should not have existed. A hidden city buried deep beneath the earth. A city with streets. Homes. Churches. Schools. Food storage rooms. Water systems. And enough space for thousands of people to live underground. For centuries. Completely hidden from the world above. No one knew it was there. No maps showed it. No records fully explained it. Yet it had been sitting beneath people's feet the entire time. Waiting to be discovered. But the deeper researchers explored, the stranger the mystery became. Because this wasn't just a city. It was a fortress. Built to hide an entire population from an unknown threat. And even today, historians still debate who built it, how they built it, and what they were so desperately trying to escape. This is the story of the city hidden beneath another city. And it's one of the most unbelievable discoveries in human history. The story begins in central Turkey in 1963. An ordinary man was making renovations to his home. Nothing unusual. Nothing historic. Just another construction project. Then he noticed a draft of cold air coming through one of the walls. It made no sense. The wall should have been solid rock. Curious, he began breaking it apart. Piece by piece. Stone by stone. Until suddenly, a hidden passage appeared. At first, he thought it might be an old storage room. But the passage kept going. And going. And going. Every tunnel led to another chamber. Every chamber led to another tunnel. What began as a simple home renovation quickly became something much larger. Something impossible. Archaeologists were called in. Then engineers. Then historians. As experts mapped the underground maze, the scale of the discovery became clear. This wasn't a hidden room. It wasn't even a hidden building. It was an entire city. Buried beneath another city. And this was only the beginning. Because the deeper they explored, the more unbelievable the discovery became.